haven't filmed for a long time. Okay, let's start. I haven't uploaded my Japan trip yet, Japan vlog yet, but I will do it as soon as possible when I will arrive to Dubai. Guess where are we now? We arrived today in the morning to Georgia, to Tbilisi. It's not my first time here and it's not Roma's first time as well. We have been in Georgia before, 2 years ago, but not together. And we decided to come and to taste the wine and just relax. Spontaneous trip, I can say. We didn't plan this trip. Roma is connecting Airalo. This is our life hack. Wherever we're going, we are always connecting our phone to eSIM card. It's so useful. Sister in technology. How is it? Nice. Good. So first of the beginning, we will start making the dough for our Hachapuri. We have in Georgia 3 different types of Hachapuri, which is first one is Emiratian Hachapuri, which is the circle shape and it have the cheese on the inside. Second is the Megrelian, which we are calling Lord's Hachapuri, and it will have cheese inside and on the top. And the third is the Ajarian Khachapuri, which is the shape of the boat, and it have egg on the top. Prepare first the dough, and then we will continue with other stuff. So, for example, we have 500 gram of meat here. We should add 500 milligram of water. Yeah, so the proportion will be 1 to 1. Should not be so soft, but you can touch it. You should not work with it with gloves. You should feel. We are clean. We are taking some space. We are clean. In our hands, 1.5 spoon of meat. We are continuing the clean. But usually we are cutting it, this head. We don't need it again. And this is our Khinkali. Yes.
How you are closing
now
it?
You are closing it with the same technique. May I?
Yeah.
Just from here.
Okay.
Not from here. From here.
Okay.
That we made by ourselves with our hands. Mama is making the last one. You can buy this kind of tour in TripAdvisor. I bought it in TripAdvisor, also in Viator. They have, so it's $22 per each, and I think it's affordable price. It's not that expensive. They will give you 2 glasses of wine. You will cook Khinkali, Hachapuri, and it's all included for this price, and it's really nice experience. I'm so enjoying everything. This is the dough which you made. See?
Is it good?
Yes,
okay.
it's perfect.
I thought I messed it.
With our hand, make it a little bit bigger. The cheese. To where? Plenty. Okay, plenty. On the middle only. Okay. So we are using 2 different types of cheese, which is Megrelian and Emiratian. Put more. We need to make big Khinkali. Big Khinkali. Khinkali.
Like a Khinkali, yes.
Put everything together. Now we just clean. Make it upside down. And again. Side. Mix it well. So this is how it looks like, our Megrelian Lord's Hachapuri. Not up, not down, in the We're just walking around. Me and Roma's favorite dessert is brownie. So we ordered one brownie. We always order only one, not two, okay? To finish together. This is my outfit for today's day. Today we are going to the winery. Or the taxi here. It's very convenient.
Hot bread and cheese is a good breakfast for everyone, I guess. So we will start the day with that and with some wine. Georgia, guys, we drink wine instead of coffee. It's like a sour, creamy, garlic-ish flavored sauce here.
It's a 5-day 4-night trip.
We arrived to some local village to eat some
Bread and cheese. Bread and cheese. Local cheese, homemade cheese.
Let's talk about content of the dough first. It has wheat flour, just a teeny tiny bit of yeast, baking soda and small amount of salt. She adds some water to the sides as well, so it will be able to stick to the clay inside of tuna easier. She makes it look very easy, but trust me, it is not that easy. Okay guys, please, you're very welcome to take your wine. The wine is semi-sweet Khinkali right from our office. We're starting the morning off right. Break the bread and Lika is gonna bring some cheese and then you'll be able to have the full experience. In Georgia, we don't drink without saying toast and saying cheers, okay? That's very, very important for us. Gaumar? Jos! Gaumar? Jos!
So now we're gonna need like around half hour, 35 minutes maximum to reach our next stop, Winery.
This is Roma's face, so happy.
I'm just enjoying. I really like the area.
Yeah,
So guys,
I like it so.
before we continue
Fresh air.
talk, I have a
like
question for you
so organic.
regarding to the lunch.
Yes. 2 years ago, me and Roma, we came to Georgia, but not together, separately, with friends. I came with my friend, he also came with his friend. In April in 2021, can you imagine? I was in April as well. It was quarantine days. The interesting part is that he was there at the same time when I was in Georgia. Can you imagine?
And I remember that at the beginning, when we met each other, I told you, oh, let's go to Georgia. And he said, oh, Georgia, I'm not gonna come back to the country where I have already been.
Initially, the town was inside this wall area, not outside. We have two types of wine, red and white, so black and amber. Some bread and cheese. This is eggplant. This is beetroot. Here is the carrot salad. This is a cucumber and tomato salad with the sunflower seed oil, which is typical for this region. This green sauce is a sour plum sauce and goes well with fried meat and fried potatoes. Georgia for wine drinking, not this fancy one.
And the fancy one is for the lemonade?
Yes.
Semi-dry or semi-sweet wine, we don't use the sugar, just we stop fermentation. We use the special tanks for semi-sweet wine, and beside the new tanks we have the old ones too here. They're from Soviet type, but they still we use, so they do the same job here. Just covered with foam outside for insulation, but the inside is enamel. First will be just Kisi dry. So I said that Kisi is the type of the grape and name of wine here.
So the construction of the tunnel began in 1958 and it was finalized in 1965.
Only juice was used. It's Put wine inside, we need to make sure that it's clean enough. And when it comes with winemaking, especially at home, we don't use anything like washing powders or the detergents or stuff like that. Everything should be natural, so only water is used. Water and this kind of tool, which we have here. So this is made of the skin of the wild cherry tree. We put water in it and we scrub the walls like this. It's a really hard work, but if Khinkali is big enough that person can fit in, we are going inside and scrub the walls from inside. So who does not have wine?
It was a nice experience. Roma bought here one wine, but
This is the wine which I tried.
they give you another one.
Which I tried last time when I've been in Georgia
Yeah.
in 2021.
I hope you enjoyed our day. Good morning, everyone. This is day 3. So yesterday we were thinking about to go somewhere, to have some tour, maybe to go to Barjomi or another city nearby, or to go to the mountains. But we decided to stay in the city, just enjoy our day, to go to the cafe, restaurants, and to buy some souvenirs. I want to buy something for my followers as well on Instagram. This is my microphone that I bought, so...
You know, when you went to the exchange shop, there was a dog with the owner. When the dog passed with the owner, the dog was so curious about your microphone. She wanted, you know, to try it, to sniff it.
Our taxi. In Japan, we didn't order taxi at all because it's so expensive in Japan. But here in Georgia, it's affordable. So we just came to one restaurant. We ordered tomato salad and chicken masu, which is with chicken, garlic, vinegar, coriander. I think it's good soup. And then tomatoes here in Georgia is really different. The taste is so good. For the main meal, we were thinking that maybe we will just order Hachapuri. They have 2 different Hachapuris. It's emuruli and megruli. So our trip is over, we are waiting our flights, departure time is 3 p.m. and we will arrive to Dubai at 6 p.m. It's only 3 hours flight, and I think it was the best decision that we made to come to Georgia for the weekends. It was only 3 nights, 4 days, but it was amazing. 3 nights. How we booked everything, we booked through Holidays by Fly Dubai. In the website we booked flight tickets and hotels. It was around 1,900 dirham per person. We also booked 2 tours through TripAdvisor website. A wine tour, it cost around $38 per person. Cooking class was around $22 per person. Overall, we spent with food, with everything else. I will show you here the number because I have to calculate. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and yeah, bye.
Attention please, flight Dubai, flight number 711 from Dubai has landed.